Hello everyone, this is Attorney Huang practicing immigration law nationwide because it's a federal law. When you go to the court, when you go to the interview by immigration officer, you have to answer a lot of questions, either by the immigration officer or by the government counsel from the DHS. So I have some principles for you to look into. Number one, be truthful. So what you have done before must be reflected in your answers. Number one, if they ask you that have you ever been in Chicago, you have to say yes or no. In case you say no, they could ask you that why did you register the cell phone in Chicago, or why did you file divorce in Chicago? So the credibility is everything. If they find you not credible, your case will collapse. So it's very important to be honest in the court or at the interview. Number two, be concise. That means try to make your answer as short as you can. If you can use yes or no, just use yes or no to answer the question. Don't say anything else. The immigration officer or the government attorney from the DHS is not your girlfriend or boyfriend. You want to spend as much time as you can, but you better to make your answer short. Like, what's your name? Michael Jackson. What's your date of birth? January 15th, 1964. And what's your sex? 5 times a week. I'm just kidding. And number three is consistent. That what you said before, you have to keep that in mind. And then what you say next, you make sure the previous answers and the present answer and the future answers are consistent. Like how many police came over to arrest you or to detain you, and just now you said 6, and later 1 hour later you say 5, and then end of the hearing you would say that's about 2. So that will make your answers inconsistent, and the judge or the immigration officer won't believe in you or doesn't think your statement is truthful. So that will damage your credibility, and they will deny your case. And number 4 is be responding to the questions. If you just ask the question, just answer the question correspondingly. That don't say anything else. We always say because that won't help. Like, are you married? If you just married, you say yes. If you don't married, you would say no. But a lot of people say, when they were asked, are you married? You would say, I have already 2 children, or I have already 1 daughter. That's not the right answer. The judge will say you are evading the question. You're not responding to the question. And then the judge will presume that you're no honest person or you're trying to hide something. Or another example is, have you ever graduated from your school or from your university? And you just say yes or no. But a lot of people will say, oh, I have been working for 2 years. That's not the right answer. If you the judge or officer just wanted to make sure you had a graduation or you have a diploma, but they don't care that how long you have worked. They are just asking whether you graduated from your university. You would say yes or no. The last suggestion is don't volunteer any information. Don't say anything other than your. My client was questioned by police, and the police asked him whether you know Mr. Lee. You just answer yes or no, that's all. You don't need to say anything else. But my client said, oh, yesterday, last night, he doesn't have a car. He wanted me to drop him in the casino, so I drove him to the casino. As a matter of fact, Mr. Lee robbed the casino, and he was a casino robber. And then the police arrested my client because they think my client assisted Mr. Lee to rob the casino. If you just answer yes or no, or you say yes, and then the police may not ask a further question. You are free. But if you volunteer any further information, you would be arrested. So that's all, and I hope you have a good luck in your hearing or at your court. If you need help, call my office number 702-451-2195. Thank you.